Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will share a tutorial on how to resolve the input the encryption password problem when accessing Hikvision cameras through the Hikconnect application. Before we proceed, let me demonstrate the specific problem I am referring to. Firstly, please open the Hikconnect application and click play button of the Hikvision devices you wish to view. When attempting to access the camera, you will notice a padlock symbol on each camera channel, and you will be prompted to enter the encryption password when trying to unlock it. Now, let's explore how to obtain the encryption password. Please watch this video until the end. To obtain the encryption password, you need to access the NVR menu. First, access the NVR menu and navigate to the Configuration menu, then proceed to the Network section and locate the Platform Access menu. Here, you will find the verification code. Simply click the edit icon to reveal it. You can use this verification code to input it into the Hikconnect application. Next, please enter the encryption password correctly, and once done, click OK to confirm. Congratulations, you can now view your CCTV cameras again. That's it. How to resolve Hikvision NVR input the encryption password problem when accessing Hikvision cameras through the Hikconnect application. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.